Welcome to iSOFT. iSOFT is one of the world's largest providers of IT solutions to the healthcare sector. They serve over 13,000 health providers in 39 countries across 5 different continents to help better manage patient information and drive improvements in core processes. Today, we're here to understand how iSOFT has harnessed the power of unified communications, working with Alpha West to get its global workforce working better together. iSOFT has seen major growth over the last 8 years, and having a technology system to help the teams connect, collaborate and communicate was critical in the success of the business.
For a business like iSOFT that has its corporate head office here and its operational head office in the UK, plus offices in this region in Brisbane, Melbourne, Auckland, Wellington and Perth, communications is absolutely fundamental to the way we operate on a daily basis. The cost of personnel moving between those offices for meetings and collaboration could be astronomical. Being able to contact people and see them and work with them as though you're in a virtual meeting is very, very important to us.
Now it's all integrated into a single desktop. It means they have the choice and they have the ability to swap between one mode of communication to another mode of communication just at a click of a mouse key or a flick of a switch.
What it gives you is that flexibility to have a much larger group of individuals together for a very short period of time that you wouldn't otherwise have if you were running the more traditional style of meeting. So it builds a much stronger team camaraderie because we're now back into the phase of actually communicating like humans are supposed to communicate on a face-to-face basis.
In all, staff satisfaction has increased dramatically. Adoption rates of not only the telephony but also the video network and the integrated data network has been phenomenal, and much more than what I perceive the industry average to be.
Alpha West helped iSOFT relocate offices in Sydney, Australia, and unify 300 employees in Sydney, Melbourne, Brisbane and Auckland. They were the chosen system integrator to implement wireless connectivity and Cisco Unified Communications Manager software to support 350 Cisco IP telephony handsets. Most importantly, Alpha West integrated the new system with iSOFT's existing environment.
We needed to integrate our desktop, our telephony and our video conferencing networks in a more streamlined way than we currently had. We're fortunate enough to run all of it over a single network and being able to integrate it in a way that actually brings benefit to the whole group. The clarity of the communications is much better. The message comes across much more fluently than it ever did before.
Giving people several touch points is very, very important. From a productivity point of view, increases our overall productivity very substantially.
We've been able to push the communications mechanism out not only to the desktop but also to the desktops at home through the incorporation of the soft phone technology or the IP communicator technology, as well as mobile video clients to the desktops as well.
This is an industry that has such high demands and continues to have high demands on all of the workforce. We have instances with some of our management teams certainly where they're using the integrated communication structure from a laptop and can run a video conference or participate in a management video conference from home. And that, I think, from a family point of view, is the number one value that comes out of integrated communications.
Alpha West has helped iSOFT better connect its people, its processes and technology to enhance greater efficiencies and workplace productivity.